This killifish was born into a crowded world. There's not enough food for the whole family. To thrive, she must leave, but blocking her path are boulders, ravines, and waterfalls. Surely an impossible journey for a fish the size of your finger. Most killifish stay at home and try to survive amidst the competition. But she's one of just 10% that have an urge to explore. She launches herself onto dry land. It seems suicidal. Most fish would pass out within minutes, so she shifts her weight onto her tail and leaps into the air, flying an incredible 8 times her own body length. She can't afford to jump aimlessly, so she looks for the telltale shimmer of water, then reorientates her body and backflips in the right direction. To buy her time, the blood in her tail runs so close to the surface of the skin, it absorbs oxygen from the air. In fact, she can survive for up to 15 hours out of water and travels 6,000 times her own body length until she reaches her new home. Perfect. There's plenty of food here, and she has it all to herself.